Hi, my name is Ecem Mandacı. In this project, I have designed a system that will ensure the safety of the workers at construction sites by making it obligatory to wear safety equipment. I have created a scenario that explains the idea. In the beginning, workers are entering the construction sites. They wear the work safety equipment specially allocated to each worker by removing the products from the lockers where they are stored. They activate the product they wear and connect them to each other via Bluetooth. The activation and location information goes to the worker tracking system that has been created. The occupational safety specialist and the construction site team can access the information whether the workers are wearing the safety equipment or not through this application. Workers inactive and remove products during break hours. After the break time, the occupational safety specialist sends an audible signal to the inactive occupational safety equipment through the application, and the worker is warned and reminded to wear the product. At the end of working day, the workers leave the construction area after charging the products in the cabinet where the equipment is stored. The products that I decided to design for my system are a safety helmet or beret and a belt. HEXL provides security to the workers, and it also facilitates the work of the occupational safety specialist. In order for the occupational safety specialist to control the equipment of the workers, there is a force sensor in the helmet that placed to the top of the head, so it can be understood whether the helmet is worn or not. When employees do not wear their equipment during working hours, the safety specialist can send an audible warning and request the helmet to be worn. There is a Bluetooth inside of both helmet and the belt, and they can connect with each other. Also, there is a help button that workers can use in helmet. With the GPS inside, the location information of the worker is also provided to the occupational safety specialist, while emergency assistance is provided quickly in case of possible accidents and injuries. Belt's Bluetooth has 30 cm range, so it can't be too far from the helmet, and it makes it obligatory to wear it. In here, we can see the user scenario. After workers enter the construction site, they unplug their products from the charging cabin where their equipment is located. They wear both the helmet and the belt. After wearing his belt and helmet, he activates it by pressing the activation button on the back of the helmet. The activated helmet and the belt are connected to each other via Bluetooth. The notification of activated equipment is sent to the occupational safety specialist through the application. Occupational safety specialists can track workers' equipment usage and location information from here. Workers who do not wear the products are detected by the force sensor in the helmet. There is a help button behind the belt that can be used by employees in possible accidents and emergencies. In these cases, when the red button marked with an exclamation point is pressed 3 times, the emergency call reaches the occupational safety specialist. When the work ends, the worker reattaches his equipment to the charging point. I used 3 mm high-density polyethylene on the helmet and the belt. And these are the dimensions of the helmet. The interface that I designed is used by safety specialists. They can track workers' location, equipment activation, and emergencies. In login page, safety specialists will enter the system with their account, or they can create a new one. In home page, which is users, they can see all the workers who wear their equipment or not, with the green and the red signals. Up represents the helmet and the down represents the belt. They can click on the user to see their detailed information about equipment activation, working hours, shifts, and locations. Also, they can send an audible notification to the worker to wear his equipment. Also, they can change the user of the helmet. In filter part in user's homepage, specialists can filter the workers according to 4 categories. These are jobs, obligatory equipments, inactive equipments, and shifts. In shifts menu, specialists can track employees' workdays and hours. Location menu shows all workers and their locations on the map, and specialists can see detailed information about the worker with clicking the hexagon. When a worker sends an emergency signal with using the button on the helmet, notification will appear on the screen and the emergency call will be made with the call button.